Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn types of sets, methods of writing set, and what is a set is already explained. The video is already uploaded, so you can find its link in the description below. So over here in this video we are going to learn what are the different type of sets. So one by one we'll understand in a very simple way. Okay, so the first one over here is singleton set. The name itself suggests, यहाँ पे singleton लिखा है, single. That means in a set there should be only one element. That is known as singleton set. So that means just remember this. खाली ये याद रखना है कि single set में सिर्फ एक ही element होता है. Okay? So suppose यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, that is set A 2. Set A consists of only one element, that is 2. So ये हो गया singleton set because it consists of even prime number. That means even prime number खाली एक ही है, that is 2. Okay, तो ये हो गया singleton set. So always remember, जिस कोई भी set में अगर एक element हो तो that is known as singleton set. Now second one, empty set. The names are so easy that we can actually understand by the name itself that what does that mean. So over here, empty set or null set. Empty matlab there are no elements in this set. Say for example, I'll write down two example over here. First example, and this is the second example. Okay. Third example, I'll write down three examples. Suppose यहाँ पे I'll write two elements. Okay, so in this we don't have any element. In this we do have a element. यहाँ पे element है, that is 0. Obviously यहाँ पे element है. So these two are not empty set. Okay, this set is referred to as singleton set because इसमें खाली एक element है. So yes, अगर set में 0 element है, then to it is considered as singleton set. It is considered as an element. यहाँ पे obviously this cannot be considered as singleton set, neither it can be considered as empty set. So the only option we are left with set A, which consists of no element. एक भी element नहीं है, और you can write it down as null set like this. ये symbol है null set का. Okay, see I'll give you one example. Say for example, x is a natural number between 2 and 3. That means set B में we have to write down the set of natural number between 2 and 3. और 2 and 3 के बीच में कोई भी natural number नहीं आता, right? So that means this set is an empty set, or you can write it down as null set. If you write over here 0, that means कुछ भी element नहीं है. So that means this is incorrect. So this is the correct way of writing an empty set. Finite set and infinite set. Okay, these two are contradictory, so we'll learn it together. अब finite मतलब क्या होता है? Finite means limited and infinite means unlimited. Okay, that means कोई भी set में अगर limited element रहेंगे which we can count, which are countable, then it is finite set. That means countable and limited. Remember these two terms, countable and limited. Infinite में uncountable and unlimited. Okay. Now I'll give an example. Say for example, C, in set C I'll write down multiples of 4. Okay, these are the multiples of 4. These are divisible by 4 and they are between 1 to 22, correct? It stops over here. Say for example in infinite, say for example I write down set of natural numbers. मुझे set of natural number लिखना है. So I'll start with 1, 2, 3 and they are infinite, right? are uncountable. You can write down infinite natural numbers, but here the condition was given to write down the numbers between 1 to 22 and which are divisible by 4. This is what condition I have given here. Okay, so that is why this set is known as finite set, which is countable or limited है, and this is infinite set. ओके इसे और इजी करने के लिए, इक्वल सेट को इजी करने के लिए आई हैव रिटन ओवर योर 2 एग्जाम्पल्स. तो ये एग्जाम्पल जो है सबसे पहले तो आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये कौन सा मेथड है. ये रूल मेथड में दिया है. तो रूल मेथड में नाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू लिस्टिंग मेथड. ये जो है वो रूल मेथड है, तो हमें इसे सेट को रूल मेथड में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज़ द रूल. X is a letter of the word listen. So we have to write down all the elements of this word in this set. So L लिखेंगे, I, S, T, E, N. Okay, so we have written it in listing method. Now set B also we'll write it down in listing method. Y is a letter of the word silent. None of the elements are repeated. So we'll write down everything as it is. Silent over here. Okay, now if you see over here, ये दोनों सेट में सेम एलिमेंट्स है, बट जो एलिमेंट्स है वो सेम है. कितने एलिमेंट्स है इसमें? 1 2 3 4 5 6. इसमें भी कितने एलिमेंट्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. इसमें भी 6 एलिमेंट्स है, इसमें भी 6 एलिमेंट्स है. बट only this information is not sufficient to say that these two are equal sets. Elements भी सेम होने चाहिए. तो let us see सारे 6 एलिमेंट सेम है या नहीं. So अगर सारे एलिमेंट सेम हैं that means these two sets are equal sets. So S and S same, I and I same, L we have, E है दोनों में, N भी है and T भी है. Correct. That means set A is equal to set B. We can say that set A is equal to set B because all the elements are same. So I hope you all must have understood the different methods of writing set. The first is singleton set, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट होता है, that is known as single. empty या null set, that means कुछ भी एलिमेंट नहीं होता है. Don't forget ज़ीरो भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And see the symbol also. Next is finite. Finite means जिसको काउंट कर सकते हैं हम, जो लिमिटेड रहते हैं. इन्फिनिट मीन्स विच आर अनकाउंटेबल. इक्वल सेट मीन्स दोनों सेट में इक्वल एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ नोन एज इक्वल सेट. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and please leave your comment if you want any specific topic